Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to write our workbook activities. I request everyone to take your workbook and I request everyone to write your name, class, section and our school name. And open a page number that is 7. So that is our database activity number 1. It is simply fun activity, okay? Try making a square out of shapes given below. Find the word that is hidden in the square. See here, you want to fix these boxes here and you need to write the answer. What the answer is exactly. This one try it by yourself. What is exactly the word here is A, E, C, C. So it is an axis. So you want to write axis here. Okay, based upon the shapes you want to fix it here. Okay, next we are moving to the next activity, that is page number 8, database activity number 2, database construction. At the local games, 4 lads were competing in a carom and chess competition. Daniel beat Mark in chess. James came third and the 16-year-old won. Daniel came second in carom, the 16-year-old won. The James bet the 18 years old and 19 years old came third. Kevin is 3 years younger than Mark. The person who came last in chess and came third in carom, only one lad got the same position in both the games. So, what we need to do is we want to construct a database table here by determining the age and we need to give the positions also here. I request everyone to draw a table. The first column should be the name and second column should be age and third column should be place in chess and fourth column should be place in carom. Okay. So who are there? First is Daniel, another one is Mark, next is James, fourth is Kevin. Here Daniel age is 18, Mark age is 19 and James is 15. Second one, how many fields are there in the database? 4. Suggest a name for the database table, that is a sports shop. Next, add 2 extra fields you think that might be useful to add to the database, quantity and customer name. Mention the data type for the new fields added. So quantity is nothing but numbers, right? So it is a number. Customer name is a string. I request everyone to take a next page, that is page number 10. That is the views in table activity. What we need to do here is, which view of a table is displayed above? Tick the right answer. So it is viewed in a design view, right? So we need to click the design view here. Which field is a primary key field here? That is size, right? So this is size. How would you remove the primary key from a field? So by clicking the key on the symbol again. So what we need to write is again by clicking. So by clicking on the key symbol again. Okay, so if you want to remove, what we need to do is again you can click on the same key icon, so it will be removed. Give the suitable name for the table. So what name we can give? So it's full about the population, right? Yes. So we can write it as a population table. Okay. So first is the design view, second size, fourth is by clicking on the key symbol again, fourth with the population. Next is a views in table continuation. Circle the icon. You could click to close the window and return to the database window one field in the table shown as unsuitable data type. Which is that is number. That is unsuitable data type. Okay. So population, country details you can give. Okay. Next, what should be the data type of the incorrect field? That is number. Okay. Describe how could you delete a field from the table structure. First, you need to select the field. After selecting the field, you need to press the delete key. So, select the field and press delete key. Okay. How many fields are there in the table? We have totally 5 fields. So, write here 5. How will you add a new field called a coastal area under a field capital city? In order to add a new field, we want to press the enter key. So, by pressing enter key. Okay. That's all about this activity part, children. Next activity we'll do in a upcoming videos. Now I'm going to end my session. In case any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you. Bye. Take care.